What's going on, guys? I'm going to walk you through the blueprint of what you need to do after you've created your online course to really maximize the potential of making it as passive and lucrative as possible. Check it out. So if you haven't seen my other videos around creating the course content, I'll leave a link in the description or a mark at the top. Go ahead and take a look at that. It's going to walk you through how to actually do the build out for your online course using Course AI. So it should only take you about 20-25 minutes, if that, to really get the process rolling. And then come back to this video and watch how we do it in more detail to actually advertise the course content. With that out of the way, let's assume that you've got your course created, it's hosted on Course AI, everything's happy, you're happy with what the content is, you're good. The very first thing you're gonna wanna do, go to Facebook groups, Reddits, and any social media platform that you already have any audience. I don't care if it's 10 people, 5 people, or 100,000 people. Get to your audiences, start posting about the course, post the links. Give 20-30% off coupons attached with it. Anything you can do, but the thing is when you're posting in these groups, make sure that you're providing value. Do not go into these groups and just dump, hey, I've got a course, anybody who wants to buy it is interested, click here. That's not what you want to do. Provide value, answer questions, use your course link as your signature at the bottom of each of your posts. Make it as subtle as possible. Maybe the Facebook posts do allow for you to just make an advertisement, more or less, onto that page, and that's perfectly fine. Go ahead and do that, but try to be as helpful as possible and get your course name out there as fast as possible. The next stage is your free giveaways. Similar to how you helped those groups, you can also, instead of offering the 20% off, you offer a free coupon for X amount of people, 1,000 people, 100,000 people, 5,000 people, 20 people, doesn't matter. Start getting people to the content, start getting your 5-star reviews. Because as you're in different platforms, the 5-star reviews rank up your ratings. Let's take an example, Udemy. When you launch a course on Udemy, there is a new section and they do give you a little bit of a bump to start with because it's a new course. But if the first week or so you get 10 or 20 5-star reviews, whether it's free or paid, it's going to bump you into their next tier of advertising, which means now you're going to hit every email list. You're going to be on their Facebook advertising reels. You're going to start getting into a lot of different places. So really take sure the effort of using giveaways correctly. With the giveaways as well, there's people on Fiverr that will advertise your course creation coupon, regardless of which platform it is. And they will make videos, post it in Reddit posts, all that good stuff. So they'll really get the word out there and make sure that it's utilized for that. Very cool feature. I've used it a few times. It works quite well. Give it a try. So the next thing is Google search trends. You want to make sure that your title, you adjust your title, your description to make sure that your next course that you've created is as searchable as possible with Google on any of the other platforms for the keywords you're specifically looking for. If you're looking for, you know, X type of woodworking and that's your course, that X piece probably has a bunch of keywords that you could focus on that people in that field and specialty are going to focus on and they're going to search for. As long as you've got that, you'll be good. You'll start indexing on your own. And I know I mentioned this a few times, but specifically make sure you get your course onto as many platforms as possible. It doesn't matter if that content makes you $5 a month, $10 a month. It builds SEO traffic. It gets you more organic traffic. It gets you more money in your pocket and more people involved in your course. More people that are involved in your course, the more people that can go into the next course and the next course, and your audience and your student base will grow. Now you could do Google search ads. It's entirely possible, it's up to you. I've done it, I've had some success with it. I know people that have a lot of success with it. So it really depends on what you're going for. They are paid, there isn't really a freebie, but sometimes you can find promotions where Google will give you $200 worth of free advertisement just to kind of start. And if you could utilize that, utilize it. Stretch it out as much as you can, $5 a day, $10 a day, whatever the case is, until you hit your 200 cap. And then stop rolling the ads, but use it and see if it works for you. The last two is YouTube comments and Reddit posts. I know we briefly talked about Reddit posts and Facebook groups, but I want to specifically bring Reddit posts and YouTube comments together. Or I'm sorry, Reddit comments and YouTube comments together. So with YouTube comments, you want to try to keep it to the content that's relevant to your niche. And regardless of what course that is, you'll find creators and influencers that are mapped somewhere around the niche you're doing, whether it's woodworking, you know, race cars, it doesn't matter. You want to pick the ones that's most relevant to your industry, to your niche down as far as you can, find those creators. It doesn't matter if those people have 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 or 100 million, it doesn't matter. Your goal is to provide the content and the great experience and value in the comments to other people, whether that's commenting around the video, whether that's, somewhat nonchalantly linking back to your course or linking back to your profile, which has a video about your course. Any number of which ways you can do this, but advertising for free on YouTube through creative comments is a really nice way to kind of kickstart it. The other half is sponsorships with creators, right? So you can give kickbacks to creators on behalf of them creating some content for their channel around it. You can pay for the content directly, have them do a review on the course or recommend it. You could have an affiliate program that you recommend. So there's a lot of which ways you can kind of go around handling this. It's just a matter of which one fits for you, which one fits for your niche, what's most common, but give them all a try. It doesn't hurt at all to have more students on your course. All right, guys, let me know if you need anything else. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.